Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And I had that question come through, and Microsoft actually wanted to say it also. I guess a lot of people were asking this question or talking about it. So, of course, you're either on 24H2 or 25H2 on your PC. You can check it out with the Windows version command. You can also see it in your Windows update. When you go to Windows history, it should tell you when the latest update installed for the future updates, the latest version. So here is 25H2, and a lot of people will be on 25H2, might actually stay on 25H2 rather than going to 26H2 just to stay safe, basically, and to make sure no problems arise. Well, Microsoft does confirm what most people that follow the different versions of Windows probably know, that 25H2 and 26H2 will be exactly the same in terms of new features. So that means when 26H2 is installed on the PC, you're not getting anything special or anything new that isn't on 25H2. All the new features that are rolling out for both of the versions. And that build number will just bump up by 100. So right now on 25H2, we're on 26200. When 26H2 arrives, the build number will be pushed up to 26300. Small update. So it just follows. So if you're on 24H2, you'll notice you have 26100, 25H2 is 26200, and 26H2 is 26300. These are just a small bump up the build number because it's an enablement package. It's nothing that brings a major change to Windows. All the changes and all the new features are actually going to happen as time goes by, with new features being installed on computers as we'll go through the year. So, yep, 25H2, 26H2 will have the exact same features as they pop up. Those new features will be on both versions. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.